Hello friends, this is me again. My name is Nadunga Gloria. Well, I've been taking you through so many things about a computer, and today I'm going to take you through the table of content. But before we continue, I would request you to first to subscribe to my channel. Like it, you can also share the video with your friends. So to create a table of content, we shall first open our Word, the Word document. Like, you type in Word after you open your Word document. Yeah, that's it. After opening our Word document like that, we are going to I'm not going to go to the blank document. Like, I already have some work which I've already generated, and it's in this document here. Sorry, my work is in the support files. This one, the docx. So I open it. After opening, yeah, this is the work. The work is having nine headings, as you can see. Like, instead of me wasting the time typing the work words, I just got it like when it was in the support files. So I'll first start by giving these headings titles, or rather chapters. I'll call them chapter 1. Like, I'm going to label them chapter 1 to 9. So this is chapter 1. I also come here, I call it chapter 2. The same to this one here. I'm going to give it chapter 3. Then this is chapter 4. Chapter 4. Then we come to this. You first list the numbers, then you give them chapter. So this is chapter 5. We come to here. We first delete the 6. So you delete this 6 here. You delete it, then you give it chapter 6. Like that. Then you also come to that one. Chapter 7. So we are here. This is chapter 8. Then the last one is chapter 9. Yeah, like that. After us giving us the titles from chapter 1 to chapter 9, we shall now first come to this chapter 1. Yeah, we click in this word, in the Microsoft Word, like this. Then we go to home. We go to heading 2. Then after that, like, we right click in heading 2, we select modify. Then we are going to add some effects. For example, I may tell you to change the head to change the what, like maybe to bold the headings, to underline, to change the size of the words. So instead of like you moving to one by one, you can just come here. Then where there is 14, for example, I would like my work to be in what, in 16, this size of 16. You make it like you put the work in 16, then you come to bold. I would like my titles to be bolded. I bold it. Then also I would prefer them to be underlined. Then you can also change the color. For example, I would prefer this color purple, like that. So after finishing, you come here to where they've said new documents based on this template. Yeah, you click in that circle, then you press OK, and like that thing will have applied automatically. Those effects will have been applied automatically to each headings. You just come and just, now let me first put this one right. This is supposed to be chapter, sorry, I missed a 2 here. This is 2. So after we just come, click here, just click in the Microsoft Word. You click here, then you go back to home, and you click in this heading 2, like that. You do this for all the headings, or rather the chapters. You click in heading 2, the same to this one. After, if you go to home and click in that heading 2, we are going to do the same thing for all the chapters. This. So we are in chapter 3. Then you go to home, click in heading 2. Like that. So we go to our heading 4. You can just come and click here to bring for you this. Click in the Microsoft, go back to home, and then you put it also in heading 2. We do the same for these, the remaining chapters. Heading 2. Okay, you go to chapter 6. You make sure that the cursor is in here, in chapter 6. Then you go to home. Give it also heading 2, like that. We go to chapter 7. We click there, home, then that. So this is 8. Then this last one, the chapter 9, we also do the same like the previous ones. Heading 2. So after doing that, we shall first come back here to heading 1, and we go where there is what? Where there is introduction part. Here. We also give it heading 2. Like we also do the same to it. We go to home. We go to heading 2. We also give it that. So after this, we shall need to insert a blank page. A blank page. But first, we set it above the work. We shall bring the cursor here at the start of the word introduction. We shall bring the cursor here. Then after we go to insert. After we're going to insert, like we shall have these options, and then we click on this one which says blank page. So our blank page will appear there above this, above the work. So this is our blank page, and this is where our table content is going to be. So when that is done, we are now going to go to reference. We are going to go to references. After going to references, then we click on table of contents. So it will give us these options: automatic table 1, table 2, then the manual table. But for we shall now get this automatic table 1. We click on it. After clicking on it, you scroll up. You scroll up and our table of content will be up here. And now this is our table of content created. So this is the table of content, this one, the one you're seeing. You may also want to design your table of content. So when you want to design it, like you come to design, they'll give you these options here. After you clicking on design, then you choose the design that you'd love your content, like the way you'd love your content to appear. So you come here, you come and click on that arrow facing down so that you can get more options of the designs. For example, me, I'm going to take this like this, so just like that, just easy like this, and now I will have designed my table of content. Yeah. So after, of course, we need to save our work, and when you want to save the work, you come to file here in the left corner up, then you go to save as. Yeah. After you going that save as, of course, then you go to desktop and now save your work. That's it. So viewers, so thank you so much for listening to me. I am Nadunga Gloria. I request you to subscribe to my channel, comment, and you can also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much.